All right, guys, here we are at the Talia and Montel Whittington job. We just did this big fence cleaning, and this is some older wood, but it's also rough sawn. It's called rough sawn cedar. So when you actually feel it, the texture is really, really rough. And whenever we clean wood like this, it tends to shoot off a lot of debris. Okay, so like this is basically wood pulp, and whenever we're pressure washing this, a lot of that wood pulp is going to come off and it's going to go everywhere. So we need to make sure that we are doing our due diligence, making sure that whenever we're cleaning wood like this, we're making sure that we get everything rinsed off afterwards. So we have a lot of wood pulp that was just sprayed around onto this pergola, onto the furniture. And I also noticed some out there on the pool cover because we did a lot of wood cleaning over there on that fence and everything as well. So, you know, cleaning this type of wood does create a little bit of a mess for us, but we've got to make sure, look at this side here, that we're making sure to do a really soft rinse down of all of this stuff and not leaving this kind of mess, because the homeowner, even though this fence looks amazing, they're going to see this damage. Now, the second thing is the damage that we caused by not being careful enough with our wand, and our wand hitting this wood up here and taking some of the stain off. Now in this instance, this stain is super sensitive. I mean, I can take my finger and scratch off some of that stain, but still, that's no excuse for marks like that and marks up here on the wood. So whenever we're cleaning the concrete around these posts, we have to make sure that we're controlling our wand and not bringing it up on other surfaces that we are not here to clean. This is where I rubbed it off with my finger earlier, but still, even though this stain is sensitive, that's not any excuse, really. We just have to be a lot more careful with our wand. Here's another side of it where our wand just came up onto the post. So we just have to be aware of that. So 2 lessons here: whenever we're cleaning wood, we got to make sure that we are